Our this revision, let's look at this revision question in projectile, and this from JAMB past question. So I want to stick to the end of this video because questions like this, you like to see them either in WAEC, NECO, or JAMB examination, or if you are doing, if you are going to write any of the school position, you want to see this kind of question. So please pay close attention here. So that a particle is projected at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal with a speed of 25 to 50 meters per second. Calculate the total time of flight of the particle. B, speed of the particle at its maximum height. I can tell you that. Now, let me just say 70% of students will fail this kind of question in the exam. And it's very easy. Please pay close attention here. Now, if you check it very well, the angle of projection is what is 30 degree, right? And the initial velocity here, which is 0 here, is what? 250 meters per second here, right? Now I said we should calculate the time of flight. What is the time of flight? T equals to 2u sine theta over what? G. Now I've done a complete video on projectile. Now that video is only available for my students who have paid for our class, right? Now if you are having issue with the physics calculation, now what to do? We are having 10 days marathon class on top 15 most important topic in physics. Now it's going to be 10 days. In 10 days here, we are going to focus on what? On physics. Now we have already started for we have already done for chemistry, first batch. Second batch is coming up, right? 10 important topics in chemistry calculation. We have done that already. Now this is now physics. So if you know that you are having issue with physics calculation, like the physics topic here that you normally see in your exam, then join our private class, join our 10 days marathon class that is going to be of great help to you. Every day for 10 days, you are going to cover 10 to 15 topics in physics, and it's going to be of great help to you. How much is fee? The fee is 10,000 naira. Just but for the first 20 places, you are only paying 4,900. So if you are writing the upcoming in 2025 and still have issue with the calculation aspect, like physics, yeah, send me a DM, make your payment, they will be added. The only good thing here is this, please pay close attention here because so many places are having issue with physics, and they don't know where to start from. Another thing is that for every topic we have covered, you have to answer this JAMB past question. Do you understand? So in the sense that after this 10 days here, you should be grounded in most of the physics calculation. We're going to be of great help to you. So if you're interested, send me a DM or WhatsApp, then make a payment, I'll be able to the group chat. Do you understand? Let's continue here. This is the formula for total time of flight, right? It's very easy here. So let's input our values here. G equals to what? 9.8 meter per second squared. Do you see that? So we have T here equals to what? 2 times 250 times sine what? 30 degree over what? 9.8, right? Now in trigonometry ratio, now if you're a student who will be writing physics here, understand that all this sine, all this angle 60, angle 45, and angle 30, they're very, very important. You have to know them, right? Now in trigonometry, here we have trigonometry here, angle 30, 60 degree. Here we have what? Square root of 3. No, here we have 2, 1, square root of 3, right? If you check it very well here, now sine 30. Now remember in SOHCAHTOA, what happened here is what opposite over what hypotenuse here, right? Opposite, because here we have the angle opposite over hypotenuse, which is going to be 1 over 2, 0.5. So sine 30 is what is 0.5. Just see that. So you have what? 2 times 250 times 0.5 over what? 9.8. This is that. So let's use our calculator here. 2 times 250 times 0.5 divided by what? 9.8. Here we have what? 25.51, right? Seconds. 25.5 what seconds. That is your answer to this one here. 25.51 what seconds, right? Now let's look at what the B part, speed of the particles at its maximum height. Now understand that to calculate the speed at its maximum height, there's something you need to understand here. at the maximum height, right? We're talking about horizontal, because when it gets to maximum height, yeah, it's not moving up and down at that height, right? So we're talking about we are talking about the horizontal, right? So velocity at that horizontal, yeah, the speed at that horizontal, yeah, is what is u s equals to u cos what 30 degrees. Do you understand? Or cos theta. Cos theta. You see that? So this formula you need to know. Once you see speed of particles maximum height, this is the formula you are using here. US equals to u cos theta, right? So you have US equals to you have 250 times cos what 30 what degree. Do you see that? Equals to what? Cos 30 here. Now what's cos 30? Right? Adjacent over what? So here we have cos 30 degree equals to what? Adjacent, which was square root of 3 over what? 2. You see that? So if you look at it, we're going to be 250 degree times square root of 3 over what? 2, right? So it is not degree here, right? So I'm going to this one here. 250 divided by 2. Here we have what? 125 square root of 3. This is the answer here. So this is the answer to what? To this revision question here. Right? If this video is helpful, please leave a comment section that this video is helpful. Please type my name with capital letter Kem. Please let me hear you now. Let me know if you want this kind of video. If you want more of this type of video in chemistry, physics, and mathematics, leave it at the comment section. Right? If there's any question that is giving you a headache, also leave it at the comment section and I'll answer and I'll do video on that. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.